In new houses you're not gonna see this because it's stupid, but you will still meet this in older properties. I'm talking about HVAC vents being located on the floor. Mostly you can see those in aged houses with a crawl space where builders used to locate air ducts. And a lot of times the way how they locate it is a joke. You can meet vent right by the bathtub in the bathroom, so you might have water running there coming out of tub, creating potential mold growth. Or in the kitchen right in the center by cabinets, so if you're extensively cooking, chopping food, you might drop stuff down the open vent and it will be sitting there forever. Anyway, if you picked up one of those older houses and plan to do remodeling, it's the best chance for you to optimize the location of floor vents for your future property. So plan your setup accordingly. Here is an example from one of my projects. I learned my lesson kind of late when bathroom remodeling was already done. So I didn't call it first, and one of my contractors obviously left HVAC vent at the same spot where it was before, which is next to bathtub, now next to the shower. While still being in the rhythm of remodeling, I decided to make a call and relocate the vent to the other side of the bathroom where there is no obvious potential to have the water running down the vent as if it stayed next to the shower. The work takes some time, but it's not difficult to do. Very quick about the work that should be done. You need to cut the hole where you want to have your register. Grinder was a help in my case. Then you cut through the subfloor down to the crawl space and relocating your HVAC duct, preferably by a new duct boot that you can screw or nail to the subfloor. On the spot where was old HVAC vent, you need to put a piece of board or plywood underneath and then work the same way as you lay in tile. Piece of hardie board, mortar, piece of tile and grout. Clean it up after. Some of this extra work could be avoided if I planned everything up front, and that's what you need to do. But even with extra time it took, I'm very happy I relocated HVAC vent because I'm perfectionist and always looking for ways how to optimize every inch of my properties.